Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, unlock developer options, and turn on USB debugging on your Android. Connect the phone with a known good data cable to the laptop. Avoid charging-only cables. On the phone, watch for the USB mode, prompt and choose File Transfer, MTP, or Transfer Files. Once done, make sure your laptop installs drivers automatically or accept any device permission pop-ups. This establishes the basic communication channel before moving to syncing or ADB. Next, if you prefer wireless control, enable hotspot or ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Install and open a companion app like Microsoft Your Phone or Air Droid on laptop and phone, then pair using QR code or PIN. This provides notifications, messaging, and file transfer. For developers, after initial USB authorization, enable ADB over Wi-Fi. Run a DB TCP/IP 5555, then connect via a DB Connect. Finally, perform the actions you wanted. Drag and drop files in Explorer, use sync tools, or run transfers from the chosen app. Verify that files open correctly on the laptop. Create a backup of photos or messages if you'll reset anything, and safely eject the device when done. If connection fails, restart both devices, try a different USB port or cable, reinstall phone drivers on the laptop, and reauthorize USB debugging. One quick driver reinstall or reboot usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.